नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Ajay Jatolia, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we will discuss about hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccination is routinely available as part of the. It's offered to all babies at 8 to 12 and 16 weeks of age. It's also offered to those thought to be at increased risk of hepatitis B or its complications. The vaccine gives protection against the hepatitis B virus, which is a major cause of serious liver disease, including scarring of the liver, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. WHO should be vaccinated against hepatitis B. All infants should be vaccinated to protect against hepatitis B vaccine. This is because the infection can persist for many years in children and can eventually lead to complications such as scarring of the liver or liver cancer. Although the risk of hepatitis B is low in the UK, children and adults in high risk group are offered the vaccine. Babies born to mothers with hepatitis B have been offered the hepatitis B vaccine from birth since the 1980s. During autumn 2017, this vaccine became available in the routine childhood vaccination schedule for all babies as part of the 6 in 1 vaccine. You can get infected with hepatitis B if you have contact with an infected person's blood or other body fluids. People who are at risk of getting hepatitis B or developing serious complications from it should consider being vaccinated. These groups include people who inject drug or have a partner who inject drug. People who chance their sexual partners frequently, men who have sex with men, babies born to infected mothers, close family or sexual partners of some with hepatitis B, anyone who receives regular blood transfusion or blood products and their carriers, people with any form of chronic liver disease, people with chronic kidney disease, people traveling to high risk countries, male and female sex workers, people who work puts them at risk of contact with blood or body fluids such as nurses, person staff, doctors, dentists and laboratory staff, prisoners, families adopting or fostering children from high-risk countries, babies at high risk of developing hepatitis B infection from infected mothers are given additional doses of the hepatitis B vaccine at birth, 4 weeks and 1 year of age. What does hepatitis B immunization involve? Full protection involves having 3 injections of the hepatitis B vaccine at the recommended intervals. Babies born to mothers with hepatitis B infection will be given 6 doses of hepatitis B containing vaccine to ensure long-lasting protection. If you are a healthcare worker or you have kidney failure, you'll have a follow-up appointment to see if you have responded to the vaccine. If you have been vaccinated by your employer's occupational health services, you can request a blood test to see if you have responded to the vaccine. Emergency hepatitis B vaccine. If you have been exposed to the hepatitis B virus and have not been vaccinated before, you should get immediate medical advice as you may benefit from the hepatitis B vaccine. In some situations, you may also need to have a injection of antibodies called specific hepatitis B immunoglobulin HBIG along with the hepatitis B vaccine. HBIG should ideally be given within 48 hours, but you can still have it up to a week after exposure. Babies and hepatitis B vaccine. Pregnant women have a routine blood test for hepatitis B as part of their antenatal care. Babies born to mothers infected with hepatitis B need to be given a dose of hepatitis B vaccine within 24 hours of their birth, followed by further doses at 4, 8, and 12 and 16 weeks of age, plus a final dose when they are 1 year old. Babies of mothers identified by the blood test as particularly infectious might also be given an injection of HBIG at birth on top of the hepatitis B vaccination to give them rapid protection against infection. All babies born to mother infected with hepatitis B should be tested at 1 year of age to check if they are they have become infected with virus. Hepatitis B vaccination in pregnancy. Hepatitis B infection in pregnant women may result in severe disease for the mother and chronic infection for the baby. So the hepatitis B vaccine is recommended for pregnant women who are high risk category. There's no evidence of any risk from vaccinating pregnant or breastfeeding women against hepatitis B, and as it's an inactivated dead vaccine, the risk to the unborn baby is likely to be negligible, insignificant. Hepatitis B vaccine on the NHS. Hepatitis B containing vaccine is provided for all babies born in the UK on or after 1 August 2017. This is given as part of the 6 to 1 vaccine. Hospitals, GP nurses, surgeries, and sexual health or GM clinics usually provide the hepatitis B vaccine free of charge for any at risk of infection. GPS are not obliged to provide the hepatitis B vaccine on the NHS if you are not thought to be at risk. GPS may charge for the hepatitis B vaccine if you want to it as a travel vaccine, or they may refer you to a travel clinic for a private vaccination. How safe is the hepatitis B vaccine? The hepatitis B vaccine is very safe other than some redness and soreness at the site of the injection. Side effects are rare. It's an inactivated dead vaccine, so it cannot cause the infection itself. This session powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.